Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add texture effects to your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and go to the Effects section next to the Adjust option at the bottom of the screen. And here you can find the third option, the Texture. And here you can find different texture type. For example, vintage, crease, crumple, page, and the other type, and just select one and click that. And if you want to edit these effects, just drag the circle on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.